Hello friends and welcome to Leo English Hub lecture number 28, and today we are going to see the solution of our topic which was in our previous lecture. What did I do yesterday? And you can see the whole passage on your screen at the moment. But before we proceed, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and those who are new viewers, would like to request them again that please subscribe our channel and start learning from the very first lecture in our playlist section, so that you learn better step by step and effective English grammar and other skills of English also. So let's resume our today's passage, and I'm going to repeat after you for your reference to understand the pronunciation. So let me start. Yesterday I got up late because it was holiday at school, college or work. I went to play kabaddi after getting ready quickly. We all friends played there till 12:30 p.m. We enjoyed much while playing. My mom was waiting for me. I took lunch with all after coming back home. My papa asked me many questions while taking lunch. I took a little rest after eating. So here it is, the first passage out of three passages. I gave you some clues and points in earlier lecture, and I hope you would have also prepared such sentences in a form of paragraph, and you can tell, you can have your own sentences as well. So it is not that this is the only answer. There can be 100 correct answers. What did I do yesterday? Because all we have different actions and activities in our routine, and if somebody asks us that what did you do yesterday, or what did you do not just for yesterday, for any past activity, for any past day, for any celebration, for any exam even, that how did you do in your exams, how did you prepare for it, how did you do, right? How much you got, how much percentage you got. So how did you celebrate a particular festival or anything. So you can take this passage or this topic a as a roadmap for all the thousands of topics that you can make on your own, using your own thoughts and ideas and experiences. So let's move on to the next passage. After that, I sat to learn to speak English after getting fresh. I revised the previous lectures before starting online lectures. I wrote many Hindi, Gujarati, and English sentences in that lecture. At evening, my friends came at my home. We all watched a spiritual or traditional program in the town hall. One of my friends took part in the program. So here we have the second set of sentences in a form of passage. So the second passage also includes many varieties, after, while, before, double verb. So you can also, and all these variety have been derived from one single tense of simple past tense only. So you can have more variety when you learn more tenses in the row. So here we have the second passage. You can note down all these passages in your notebook, and you can make more sentences like this. You can add your own sentences, obviously, because you must have your own activities, your own routine. So it would be differ from these activities on your screen. So let's move on, guys, to the third passage over here, and I'm going to repeat after you. I took dinner with family after coming back home. We discussed about the whole day after eating. We watched TV before going to our rooms. I got a call from one of my friends who lives in Canada. I talked with him over video call. We talked after many days. I revised English lectures before going to bed at night. This is how I passed my day. So the pronunciations are also very important, particularly in case of the past form of the verbs. So when the irregular verbs are there, there is not much difficulty. That, say for example, in the first sentence it is took. The simple form of the verb is take. So take, took, taken. It is not much difficult. But when it comes to regular verbs where we have ed at the end of the verbs. And sometimes, because sometimes what happens that ed stands for the in terms of pronunciation, and in other instances ed stands for t, right, in terms of pronunciation. Say for example, in second sentence, it is discussed, so we pronounce d, discussed. But in the second last row, we have no, in the last sentence, I passed my day, so it is not passed, it should be, it must be passed by my day, right? Revised, so it is the. But when it comes to talk, it is talked, not talked, right? So pronunciations are also important. And don't forget to make notes of all these for your guidance and reference. You can make n number of topics, n number of sentences, using the guidelines in these sentences, the rules in these sentences. And this is a kind of roadmap for you, that our text and our speech should be like this. So I hope today's lecture is very important for you to understand in applying varieties in English grammar and English sentence structures, guys. Those again, at last, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel, and those who are new to our channel, I would tell them to start from the very first lecture, to start learning from the very first lecture. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us today. Thank you.